Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is September 1st, which is super exciting for me because to me, like, September just means the beginning of fall. I know technically the first day of fall isn't until like the 21st or the 22nd or something, but I don't even care. Like, as soon as September hits, I'm ready for pumpkin everything. I'm a fall baby. My birthday's in September, and I just live for all things fall. So I kind of wanted to start the season with like a random fall haul. It's just gonna be like an assortment of things, and it's not that big, but I kind of was just see, too excited. I was kind of just excited to kind of start the season with a fall haul, so, and get me in the spirit and everything like that. And I'm gonna bust out my decorations, my pumpkins and everything. My husband's gonna be super annoyed, but I don't even care because I'm so ready for it. As much as I love summer, I'm just the type of person where I would prefer to like be cold. Okay, not like be freezing like in the winter, but I prefer to wear layers, and then if I'm hot, like just take off a sweater or something. Whereas in the summer, you're already half naked and still sweating, and like you can't take off any more clothes. I'm not about that life. So I like summer, but 2 months is enough for me, and then I'm kind of over it because I just don't like to be a sweaty disaster. So yeah, anyways, that was a really long intro. Anyways, if you want to see my random fall haul, then just keep on watching. So I guess let me start with this because you could just randomly see a crate back here. I went to, I'm sorry for the amount of boobs that are showing too. I went to Michael's yesterday and I picked up a couple things. The all fall decorations were buy one, get one free. So I ended up getting 2 things of flowers. The first is just like this. These are really cute, and I don't keep them like in one thing. I usually just take wire cutters and kind of separate them. I made a homemade wreath that I plan on adding some of these to, just to make it like a little bit more fall-esque with this dark plum color. I thought this was really pretty for fall. So I'm going to take some apart, and I have some fall, like I switch out my floral arrangements for each season. So I'm going to add some of this darker like plum color. I just thought that was really cute, and it was buy one get one free. So I ended up getting a second one with these guys, and I just like these like full blooms. They're pretty big, which I like. So again, I just kind of like snip them, and I'm gonna add some of this color to my wreath just to make it a little bit more fall. It already is kind of fall. It has pumpkins and stuff, but this fall I was really feeling like this color. I don't know why. It's just burgundy. What would you call this? Like a burgundy plum maroonish shade. I really like this. So I'm gonna kind of snip these, and I'm gonna spice up my floral arrangements for fall. And I just thought they were really pretty. So I got those. I was really liking that color. And then I got a couple signs. So the first one just says fall in love, which is really cute because anyone who knows me knows like I love fall. I was gonna say I live for fall, but I love fall. So I really like this, and it kind of looks like rustic with like the wood in the back. The wood is kind of like faded, and it just looks like rustic and sort of old and cute. And then I got a second sign. Again, these were buy one get one free, so I got 2. And this one comes on like one of these little easels. It's really cute, and it says pumpkin spice is my favorite season. And it really is. It really, really is. So that's that. Every year I get like a little something like just to add to my decorations, and I don't have too many fall decorations in general. I didn't have any signs, so I thought those were really cute. And then this is super random. This is just like a what do you call this, like a wooden basket, and I got this actually to be like a photo prop in my pictures. I want to take pictures of my baby, and so I just got this to kind of use as a photo prop for Christmas pictures, fall pictures, just everything. I don't know, like, you know the pictures I'm talking about where you put your kid in like a crate. I mean, it's not like the nicest thing, but they turn out so cute. And then I can also use it just to store stuff like blankets or whatever I want to store in here after. Like, this looks so pretty. Like, how cute does this look? Even just as a decoration, it looks so adorable. And that was also on sale for I think it was like $15 Canadian. This shirt is showing way too much boobs, but Just gonna have to get past that. So that was that. And then I also went to Bath and Body Works. They were having a sale on their candles, and I love their candles all year, but basically I live for the fall and winter scents. Even in the summertime, I low-key burn fall candles just because those are the type of smells that I gravitate towards. So when they come out with the fall candles and the winter candles, I kind of just like stockpile them for the whole year because I'm not a fan of summer scents, and they were on sale for $12, so I picked some up. The first one is Marshmallow Fireside. This is the packaging it came in this fall. I'm not the biggest fan. If it didn't have like these flowers in it, this kind of looks like birch bark. If it just looked like this, I would like it without the decorations on it, but whatever. The candle itself is black, and I'm pretty sure everyone knows what this smells like. This is probably like my favorite scent if I had to pick one. I love it. It smells like it's called Marshmallow Fireside, like firewood, marshmallows. It smells like warm and woodsy, and I really like that. I go through a lot of those. And then I picked this one up. This is called Cinnamon Bark. I hope I don't have lip gloss on my teeth. This is called Cinnamon Bark. I really like this packaging. It's like copper. This is also like birch bark, but like with copper. It's really pretty. And this one just smells like cinnamon and caramel. I love this. I kind of tend to gravitate towards this scent or like cinnamony scents for Christmas, but I really like the smell of this. And because it has the caramel in there, I don't know, this is just like warm and spicy. So I like that. I tend to burn candles at nighttime, and I kind of like those like warm, sweet, but like woodsy scents. I don't like them to be overbearingly sweet. Like, I don't want it to just smell like caramel or just smell like marshmallows. I like when there's a hint of like the ones that smell kind of like a man fresh out the shower with a little bit of sweetness and a little bit of smokiness. Those are the ones I like, which is why I like Marshmallow Fireside. And then I picked this up. So I guess I'll talk about this first. This is just a candle holder, and usually I don't get these, but I loved how the bottom is like wood and this is like a copperish gold. The design is so cute, and this is totally like my decor vibe. I just loved it. So I got it to put the candles inside. This was, I think it was on sale for like 15 bucks, which is kind of expensive, but I'll use this year round. It's not like a seasonal one, so I kind of liked it. I just think it goes with my decor. I love when things have like a little bit of wood with the gold. I love that. And then I picked up this candle, which is called Gather. I've never smelled this before. I love the packaging. I love how it has like this copperish gold lid with like the matte black, and it has a sticker on one side with like the gold or like copperish gold foiled leaves. Can you see that? But if you didn't want to show the sticker, I just love the matte black. And I know packaging doesn't really matter, but when I have a candle out, I just don't like it to clash with things. Like, I don't want like a bright pink candle. I mean, it's weird, but that's just me. And as you can tell, I like black, like copper, like gray. I'm a simple girl. And this one is one of the sweeter ones I have, but it's still not like sickeningly sweet. This one smells like caramel. It really just smells like caramel mixed with a little bit of like alcohol, kind of like a spiced rum caramel, something like that. I know I see people do like Bath and Body Works hauls in the States, and they flip their candle over and they're able to tell you like the notes on the candle. I don't know if that's just like in the States, because in Canada it doesn't tell us the notes down here, which why? Well, like, why do they do that in the States and not here? I find that would be so helpful, but because I'm not so good at describing scents, but there it says the notes at the bottom, but ours don't. Or am I just crazy and I don't know where to find it? But like, honestly, it just does not. Can you see it? Like, the notes are not on ours, but I see people do Bath and Body Works hauls from the States and they always tell me the notes, but I don't know. But that's not fair. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just got 2 of those. And then I picked up, like, just randomly, I just picked up, was it 10? No, 6 hand sanitizers, because it was 6 for $10, which is pretty cheap. And I always put these in my diaper bags. I leave one in the car, I have one in my purse, like, I put them everywhere. And again, I picked up some fall scents because I like them. So I like the coconut pumpkin latte. I got that, a berry one. I have one other pumpkin one in the car, and then these are rose water and ivy. If there's another scent I like from Bath and Body Works, is this one, just because it's kind of like subtle and neutral enough to burn all the time too in a candle. I mean, like the scent in general kind of reminds me of like a spa, so I picked up those. And that is my mini random fall haul. I know it was like random and pretty short, but I hope it got you guys in the spirit, because I'm definitely in the fall spirit, and now I get to bust out all my decorations and put them up. So that's everything. Just a little pre-warning too. I know my channel, I don't usually do fashion videos. I usually do makeup videos, but recently I've been really inspired and just loving fashion, so I think I'm gonna branch out and start doing a little bit of like outfit inspo and that kind of thing. So I hope you guys want to see that, because I really want to start doing some of that, so just be on the lookout, okay? And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.